Let us guide you how to make payments with PayPro from your NayaPay mobile wallet account. You will receive your bills through SMS and email, which will have a unique PayPro ID assigned to each. Log into your NayaPay mobile wallet app. Once logged in, you can scroll down on your home screen and select one of the payment categories. Once you've selected the payment category, then select your biller in the given list of enterprises. Once selected, tap on the Pay button. Enter the unique PayPro ID assigned to your bill in the given consumer number field. Verify all details of your bill that is fetched using the PayPro ID and tap on the Pay button. To complete your payment, you will have to enter the OTP sent on your number. Congratulations! Your bill was paid successfully from your NayaPay wallet account. PayPro, Digitizing Pakistan.